I'm here at Fair Park, home of the State Fair of Texas, and I'm so excited and honored because whenever I come to the State Fair, I have to have a corny dog by Fletcher's, and today I'm gonna be with the queen herself, Amber Fletcher, so let's go tie things up.
Everybody get up.
Here is the queen herself, the queen of the corny dog. Hi Amber, how are you?
Good, hi.
I'm so excited to be here.
I am so excited to be here.
I have a gift for you.
Oh, my very own Chef Nikky earrings.
Yes!
Thank you so much.
See, now we're in Fletcher colors.
I know, they're gonna match perfectly.
I love it. I brought a whole bunch of stuff from my restaurant because I'm like, I'm gonna see how we can tie things up in this situation. What do we have to play with today?
So we have our original hot dog. It is a beef and pork combination.
Okay.
It is especially made for Fletcher's by Syracuse sausage. You can only get it at Fletcher's.
Exclusively.
Exclusive. We have our cheesy, which is an all-American cheese, and it's something that we also put in our batter and fry.
I've never had this. I'm so excited.
Growing up, my brother and I ate a lot of these, and one day my brother Aaron was like, why aren't we selling these?
Ooh,
So they went on the menu.
genius.
And then we have our veggie dog, which we introduced in 2015. It is a non-GMO soy and pea protein, so it's very clean, very healthy for anyone that's just more conscientious or doesn't want the animal product.
And it's bigger.
And it's bigger, so you get more bang for your buck.
I love this. And then batter-wise, it's just one batter.
It's just one batter. It's our original recipe that we've been using since the beginning of our company. Locked down,
Which
family
was?
secret, 1942.
You're not gonna tell me the secret.
Oh, the
Obviously, she
secret.
already
Oh,
likes
no,
it.
the secret.
But I have your permission to play with it.
Yes, we are gonna play with all the things today.
I feel like we need to do something with our pad thai sauce because it's like the original with the original.
Right.
So we're gonna
OG
play
and OG.
OG and OG. Yeah. So I'm gonna do a pad thai version. Let's tie up the batters. Do you have the batter?
I have the batter.
That's a lot of batter.
Well, we're doing a lot today.
We are. So I only want to mix one with that. Do we have a smaller bucket? Oh, perfect. Okay.
Nice.
How are you gonna pick that up, girl?
Well, I did go to the gym this morning, which is why I'm now weaker.
We're being very corny.
Ooh.
Ooh, is that good? Okay. Okay, now we have the red curry paste. I wonder if we're gonna have enough. Okay, that's my 2 cans. Man, it smells good. And it's so pretty.
You can smell all those spices and
Yes.
herbs coming up.
Is this exciting for you?
It's very corny
good.
and exciting.
I love it.
You want to put some muscle in there?
Yes, I will do some. It is nice and sticky. Oh, wow. That is pretty. That is very tight. Oh, that's so pretty.
It smells so good.
Oh my goodness, this is exciting. So pretty. That is a beautiful batter, girl.
We just tied that batter up.
Sure did. Okay, I think we got this looking beautifully. Do you approve
Okay.
your new batter?
You know, I approve.
Yes, okay. We're gonna do that with the vegan dog,
Okay.
with the red curry batter.
Okay.
It's gonna be amazing. And then the cheesy one, I'm thinking very Asian. We're gonna panko crumb it on the outside. So have that crunch and that cheesiness. And then on the original, we're gonna do one with some drama queen, make it like a
Okay.
spicy dog. And then last but not least, the pad thai dog. I'm gonna
The
wrap it with
noodles?
some noodles.
Yes.
Sounds
I'm
good, yeah?
excited. I don't know if I've ever seen a noodle wrapped corny dog.
We're gonna play. We're really gonna
Okay.
play. I do have another idea. Since we're gonna make this the spicy dog, I want to actually like put some of the garlic chili crunch inside this original dog. So
We're like
that's-
infusing it.
We are. You're gonna get a crunch in every bite.
So with the curry sauce, I'm smelling some spices, but I'm also smelling some herbs. Is that like Italian or like green herbs? Like I
so
smell something.
corny. I
smell
love it.
green.
There's some lemongrass in there, shallots, red chili peppers, and things like that. There's some like coriander seeds a lot of time. Maybe that's giving you some like.
Yeah, I didn't think it was Italian.
I love it. I love it. Let's see if I can do this right. I mean, we got some good big chunks in here. Oh yeah, it's working.
One thing about
You
our
like
hot
spice?
dogs, they
Yes.
are a little firmer than a hot dog, which we just think is another thing that separates ours from other corn dogs, because we don't use just a grocery store hot dog. It goes through a different emulsification process,
Yes.
so it's got more of a bind, which just fits great for our product.
Now that you said that, I can totally feel
it's
it.
almost more like a sausage, but not quite.
But then with that, it probably holds up better in the fryer and then to the batter, and it's just perfect as to carry it around the fair.
This is what we do. We've been doing this for a long
You just told
time.
me a secret.
Well, that's true. I guess you know what will happen next.
That's all good. Okay, I think I got a whole bunch. How spice can you handle your spice?
I'm a bit of a baby. No, I can do spicy.
Okay, and I mostly put garlic in there, so you're gonna get a good garlic crunch.
Okay, back to that Italian. I got
Yes.
that.
Do you have a little Italian in
Is
you?
this Italian takeover?
It is Italian Thai takeover. Okay, let's go fry these up.
Okay, let's go.
Yay! We are now in the truck with the largest fryers I've ever seen.
Well, we cook a lot of corny dogs out of these fryers.
I would
So
assume so. How many?
this truck specifically that we're in today is for our Clyde Warren Park residency, as we call it. It is there 6 days a week. And we're serving up our corny dogs.
Okay, can you teach me what's the secret into this dipping batter frying situation?
Okay, so the technique, you have the dog straight up, and we submerge all the way. You want to cover every little inch of it.
Okay.
And then we'll kind of do this little bit of a jerking motion because we want all that batter off.
Okay.
And this is how you can
But
tell.
still, we got, I smell the red curry.
We hold it at an angle for about 3-4 seconds. Kind of let it to seal, and then we release. If you drop it too early, it'll touch the bottom of the fryer and kind of pull some of that batter off, making an ugly dog, and we never want ugly dogs.
No ugly dogs, please.
No.
Oh, and then it floated.
And so, well, that's a good sign
That's
of
a
a good
good
corny
sign.
dog.
Okay, is this one a good one to try?
Yeah, he's good to go.
Good to go. I like how you call him peas.
Well,
Is there any she-dogs?
I think it just depends on the day.
Depends on who's talking.
Depends on who's talking. She's pretty.
It's falling.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Okay.
Maybe I should do the dog first. This might be like advanced.
Oh, it is advanced.
It is advanced.
I didn't
Okay.
think about that.
We're gonna do the spicy one.
So I would maybe put it at an angle.
Angle. In. Turn. Cover.
If we want to cover all of it, that's
Is that good?
looking pretty good. And then we'll,
Let it pull off.
and now we'll do our little flip and twist. Now I would maybe, if you want, go back in so we can cover up.
Cover that. Go back in
that
second
little
time?
bit. Yeah. We're gonna go back in a second time.
Okay.
There we go. Now we're doing a little flip and twist.
Flip twist.
Hold at an angle,
Hold at an angle.
about halfway in.
Halfway in.
Probably go ahead and let them go.
Let them go?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. How do you know when it's ready?
So they take about 3 minutes to fry, but we're really looking for a certain golden brown. But since this has curry in it, I have no idea.
You're right.
I'm just gonna
But it
guess
looks
based on the
good.
texture. Sometimes if they're too spongy, they're not ready. And this one,
Oh, that's the test.
yeah,
It's good?
he's good.
Okay. Ooh.
Oh,
Okay. May I? Shoot. What? Too heavy. Hold on. Hold on.
there we go.
I'm doctoring it. 3 seconds. That looks pretty already. Drop. Amber, I don't know. I'm gonna try the cheese one again, or should I have you do the cheese one?
I would give it another try.
Yeah?
Just be gentle this time.
Gentle. I'll be gentle to you, okay?
This is a very sensitive job. Oh no.
It's not happy.
It's the cheese. It's not you, it's the cheese.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna let Amber do the cheese one next. This is advanced level.
3 time is the charm, maybe. All right,
Okay,
so
how should you do that?
do you want to put it in the panko?
Yes, please. Wait, how'd you do that?
My last name's Fletcher. Watch it break and fall off.
No,
right
it's
now.
gonna be perfect.
Like fall on the floor.
And she also, see, she even has enough time to go like this. That's where the professionalism comes in.
Well, you know, during the 24 days of the State Fair of Texas, we sell about 500,000 corny dogs in 24
Well, I eat
days.
a lot of those.
You did eat quite a few of those
I
last
did.
year.
Okay, I got the original down. However,
So that's the drama queen.
that's gotta be pretty.
She is spicy.
She will be spicy. Finally, we got a she-dog.
Yes.
Because it's a drama queen. Oh, look at that.
How pretty these are.
So pretty. And like the cheese is oozing out of the other one already.
I know. There's a lot of different ways you can fry them. We do everything the same way that my grandfather started back in the 40s. They have fryers now where you can just attach them to the side and you can cook, you know, like 12 or 18 at a time. Well, we need about 100 in here at a time to deal with our lines at the fair. But also,
This will fit 100 at a time.
we could get about 80 to 100
Wow.
in one of our large fryers. There's something about honoring the past by not changing and just carrying on the way things. I mean, he made it the way it is, and he always said, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So for 81 years, we've been doing the same batter, the same process, same fryer, while getting to do new fun things.
It is so cool. That's awesome. You know, it's about the love that you put in your food that really you can taste.
Yeah.
That definitely is the love.
We just want to make people happy. And we've been doing it for 81 years. And if we're lucky, we'll get to do it for, you know, another 8 decades.
Okay. Let's go condiment this up.
Okay.
You ready to go play?
Yes.
Okay, so while we were frying, I did have a lot of like good ideas, I hope, with the condiments that we're gonna play with. What I'm thinking with the cheese is probably like a sweet and sour hot sauce combo. What do you think?
Sweet and sour is one of my favorites and a bucket list to put on a corny dog. So
Ooh, okay.
I have to try this.
Then I'm just gonna do one sweet and sour,
Okay.
and I'm gonna do mine with hot sauce because
Okay.
now I want your dreams to come true.
Okay.
Grab a cheese dog.
Okay. Just get some of
'Cause
that
I
on there.
need some spice. That's
Here we go.
pretty. Okay.
Oh my God.
That's so good.
That's flavor on flavor.
Flavor on flavor. The crunchy on the panko. What do you think?
I didn't know I was going to be going to heaven today.
Okay, the second one is this beautiful red curry one, which smells amazing.
The herbs and
The herbs and the, you're like,
curry.
Okay, so what I'm thinking, I'm gonna do classic.
Okay.
So definitely some mustard. You're the pro.
I am not a packet pro.
I know. I like the pump.
No matter what you do, the packets come out pretty awful.
But anywho, I want to do mustard
Oh,
with, oh, you got it, with some
Okay.
of my drama queen. There you go, girl.
here we go.
Here we go.
The curry.
You can taste the curry. Is enough curry? Okay, now I want to try.
That's good. So that's our vegan hot dog
Yes.
with the curry
Mm-hmm.
in the batter topped with drama queen.
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
The curry's good.
Mmm. That could be something.
I think the curry is going to have to be a thing.
It's like subtle yet just like yummy. Third one.
Drama on drama?
Drama on drama. Drama on drama is spicy. So what if we kind of tone it down with some ketchup?
We could do ketchup if you wanted to do it wrong.
Why?
We don't really talk about ketchup. It's a dark story.
It's a dark
When my grandfather invented the corny dog and introduced it in 1942, it wasn't until 1994. So how many years is that?
That's a long time.
That's a long time.
That's a long time.
We did not offer ketchup to our customers. They had to go across the midway to the burger guy to get ketchup because it was made to have mustard on it. But I tell people, you know, if you want to use ketchup, at least put a little mustard. Maybe it's a gateway condiment. You'll come on over to full mustard.
Okay.
But to get people hooked on corny dogs, I'm okay with ketchup.
We will do it. Okay, let's try that.
So you are doing it after that whole discussion.
We don't have to.
Okay.
But should we please the ketchup eaters?
I think we should.
We should.
'Cause
Okay, if
I
you're
do
a
like to
ketchup
make
eater,
people
you let
happy.
us know. Like, comment below. Okay. But then I'm still going to spice
Well,
it
then-
up.
So do you want to?
You want me to do the honors. She does not want
I
to
don't
be
wanna touch
filled
it.
with ketchup, okay? Will you even eat this one?
You know, I
Will you
trust
take
you
one
enough to
for the
take your
team?
word.
Okay, let's take one for the team.
Oh no, you eat
Oh,
it.
me? Okay, I will.
Sure is pretty.
I'm still not a ketchup person, But the
Good.
sweet does cut with the spicy. Now, the fun one. I feel like this we've been extremely creative with. I feel like I can make this one like really knock it out of the ballpark. We're gonna use the pad thai sauce on it, and then we have some crushed peanuts, because that just goes with pad thai sauce, and then a little bit of green onions on this.
I really wish that my mom was here to see this.
We're gonna do another one for her when she comes back out.
I was like, she would love
She
this.
decided to go
this is
clean the
beautiful.
pans, all the mess that we made.
That's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Isn't it
Do I get?
pretty? You get
Okay.
to. This is in your honor.
Here we go.
Ooh, I mean, just that was so good.
I think that's my favorite one.
Really?
That is amazing. That was good.
Mmm. The crunch,
Hey, Gigi.
the pad thai sauce really took it to the next level. Come
This
and try
was
this on camera.
amazing.
That's the one that had the garlic stuck in it?
No, so
No.
it's got the pad thai noodles.
See what mom
Aaron,
thinks.
this is amazing.
Wow. So good.
That one is
You like
really,
it?
really good.
I honestly love it because it's not real spicy.
Mm-mm, not
It's
at
got
all.
a nice
There's no
flavor.
spice in there. Well, now that Gigi walked out with our Thai dog, Amber, how can people find you?
So people can find us at fletcherscornydogs.com. We have food trailers that go all over DFW doing local events, festivals. We have a food truck that's at Clyde Warren Park 6 days a week. We also do catering, birthday parties, corporate, or if you're not in the state of Texas or you're a little far from DFW, you can buy our items on goldbelly.com, search Fletcher's Corny Dogs, and you can buy not the Thai twist you see here today, but you can buy our original products.
You
Chef
guys can
Nikky's.
recreate this at home
home.
because you can get the sauces on my website, buy some panko, have some fun. You saw us how we did it. We had a great time. I had an awesome time. It's just been so fun. Thank you so much.
Well, no, thank you. I mean, we love what we do, and we've been doing the same thing for 80 years, which, I mean, I like
Not
doing
today.
the same thing, but thanks for coming and shaking things up for us a little bit.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Follow, subscribe, comment, ketchup, mustard, all of the above.
Oh.
Which one is your favorite? And until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ